this part of the Bahikhata demo series, let's walk through the inventory module. So this is where you can track all your purchase products including your all your product details, and you can add your primary products and your sub products. So let's go to the section 1 where we can see the primary product column. In this basically the inventory is divided into two parts, primary product and then we have the sub products. So let's start with the primary first. Here you will see a detailed list of all your inventory items, and where we are showing all the complete details of your products, including the purchase date, where you have purchased from whom you have purchased from, and then what is the status of the product, is it new or used, and then the name of the product, then the model of the product, color of the product, what is the RAM and what is the HDD size, then IMEI number of the product, and then we have the phone ID, then we have the battery percentage, warranty, then we have the serial number, we have the balance amount, like how much balance is it still have you is due, or you have completed your payment entirely, the quantity of the product, and then your purchase amount, in which amount you have been purchased. You can also click on the edit button and edit these details. Then I will show you the top action buttons, which is first one is the bulk upload. So all these top action buttons are really important. In the bulk upload, it basically allows you to upload multiple products via Excel or CSV file. So we can add either 10 products together, or 100 or 1000, any amount we can add through bulk upload through a CSV or Excel file. Then we have the add new product button. From here we can add a single product entry manually to the inventory. Then we have the sell product. Whenever we select the checklist, or whenever we select any product, then the sell product button gets active, and then we can sell this product whichever we have selected from the checkbox. Then we have the download report button. It basically generates a report of your inventory in the Excel format. And then we have the filter option, where we can search and filter based on the date, and based on the customer name and phone number, and based on the timelines, if it's by today's product, or by all product, or by new or used product. And then at the bottom we have the pagination, where we can select rows per page. Either I can select 10, or either I can select 50, any number which I want from the list. So I will show you how you will download the report. You will click on the download report button, and the reports get downloaded, and if you want to see it, then it will come like this in the Excel format, and you can go through this, you can view all your details at once, or it helps in uh, your uh, your business timelines, whether you need to send any of your document, or for tallying anything, or for your documentation, where you can see all your products in a single Excel file. Then we have the add new product. So I will show you how you will add a product manually, a single product. First page will appear after clicking on the add new product button will be the vendor details. So you will add the vendor details. Firstly, we'll start with this selecting the place. Then we will add the name of the vendor. Then we'll click on next. Then the product details page will come, where we can add all the product details which we are adding, or which we are purchasing. Now from the category drop down, we can select either it's a primary or a sub product. So right now I'm showing you the primary product, so we can simply click on the primary, and then we can select a name of the product, then we can select the model, then we can select color, and then we can select RAM and HDD size. Then we can have an IMEI number. Then we can add, for say, battery percentage is 85 right now currently when I'm purchasing it. Then we have quantity. Let's say I want to purchase 10 quantity. Price per piece, let's say 25k. and then we can add a bill proof document from here, and we can select the status whether it's a new product or a used product. So let's select the new product. We can also add check mark on GST, and the GST will open where we can add uh, all the GST detail. Let's select IGST 18%, and GST amount will be total in 45,000 for according to the 10 products. Then the payment details will come, like how much payment we are giving to the vendor. So my total bill is 2,95,000. So let's say I want to keep a balance, and let's say I am paying 2 lakh right now. So the balance amount would automatically show me that 95,000 is uh, keeping up as in balance, and I'll click on add product. The products get added on the right hand side. You can confirm the details. You can also edit the product in this screen only, and then you can also delete the product if anything you have added is wrong, or you want to add some more products and you don't want to add this, you can also delete it, or if some of the changes you want to make, you can edit it. Then you will click on next. The payment details will come where it will show the overview of your payment details, like what is the total amount and how much you have received and how much is the balance amount. Once you click on next, uh, your receipt will be generated on the Bahikhata platform. We will show where is your billing from, and billing to the vendor details. Then we will show your product details, where what is the ID number, then what is the date of issuing this, and how much is the due amount, which is 95,000. And then we are showing the basic details, which includes the product details, quantity, how much is your tax, and total amount value. Then at the bottom we are showing all the pricing details. Total amount of the product is 2,95,000, and amount which we have paid is 2 lakh, and the due amount shown at the bottom. In this we also have multiple features. In this receipt we can email this receipt to anyone, and then we can print it, and then we can download it by clicking on the save as PDF. So let's go on back, and then again we came on the inventory page, and now I'll show you adding a sub product. Let's select the state, let's select the same vendor, and then let's click on the sub product. So sub product is basically your the add-ons product. Let's say we are purchasing a charger, and let's select the color, let's add the category name, let's select the item name, as in let's say it's a Vivo charger, and let's say model name is 13x, and let's say the quantity is 10, price per piece is 1000. Then you can also add your bill ID proof. You can select your product whether it's new or old, and so right now it's according to 10 products and 1000, it the price is coming 10,000. So this time let's pay the full amount, and balance becomes 0. I'll click on the add product. The product gets added on the right hand side. Then I'll click on the next, and then I will come on the payment details, where I will review all the pricing details, and I'll click on next. So the receipt gets generated, and I can see all the details, including my receipt ID, the date of issuing, my product details, how much quantity I have purchased, total amount, and then at the bottom we get all the pricing details. And this time we have paid in full amount, so due amount is showing 0. And then the same feature we have in the receipt, where we can email anyone, and then we can print this receipt, and then we can download by clicking on the save as PDF button. So this is overall the overview of the inventory module, and that's a wrap up on the walkthrough of this module. So this module basically is built to help you maintain your clear and searchable and well organized product records. Where you're running a retail business or a service center or a warehouse, your product management can be done easily from this module. Okay, so thank you for joining us. Let's dive deep into the transaction module in our next video. Thank you guys.